National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fremont County and central Colorado, southwestern El Paso County and east central Colorado, northwestern Pueblo County and southeastern Colorado, until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Penrose, or 24 miles southwest of Colorado Springs, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Penrose, Canon City, and Pueblo West. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.